Welcome to Flam. Flam. Very pretty. Join us for a run. If you're feeling fit. The train. It's about 6k so far. Half marathon. If we turn around now.
I don't want to go down.
And there's a train station. Back down then. Finished a half marathon, we're nearly back at the ship. Guess where we're going? We'll see you up there. Oh gosh, it's only half a k up, but nice view. Just want a drink of water. If you get the train, 14.5 miles, man. That's it, we're done. Been up, back down. The ship this way towards the campsite. 16 miles. We're back. Gonna go and get in the sea.